Hello, I'm Sammy Svet, and today I'm going to be talking about the benefits of art therapy. Many Americans across all different age groups experience mental health issues throughout their lifetime. There are several different ways to combat and treat these mental disorders. The most common way to treat anxiety and depression involve therapy and medication, depending on the severity of the disorder. Art therapy is becoming a popular method to help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Art therapy is a form of therapy used in the mental health field. Patients practicing this form of therapy use art and media to help develop social skills, cope with addiction, and explore different feelings. This method can also aid in increasing self-esteem and feelings of anxiety. Art therapists work to help their patients with their sense of well-being. And this kind of therapy is often used alongside psychotherapy, which is a form of talk therapy. People can use art to express themselves and also work through the feelings that they're experiencing. Art is also something that people can feel proud of once they have completed. A large factor of depression can be an individual isn't engaging in any hobbies, and art therapy can help with that because it gives them something to do. It's a way to express themselves and the emotions that they're going through that maybe they couldn't with just normal talk therapy. The American Art Therapy Association defines art therapy as a way of using creation to improve physical, emotional, and overall mental well-being. People are able to express themselves in different ways with the usage of art therapy. It also allows people to develop better and more healthy coping mechanisms. There are some really bad coping mechanisms that can result from anxiety and depression and different mental disorders, but art is a very healthy and helpful way to express the feelings that come with those mental disorders. There are varying forms of this therapy depending on what the patient prefers in stylistic forms. There's sculpting, collages, coloring, painting, and drawing. Art therapy is used in a wide variety of circumstances, and it can also treat various different mental disorders, not just anxiety and depression. There's a whole wide variety. It's most commonly used in conjunction with traditional talk therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, and lastly, group therapy. Creative therapies like music therapy and art therapy are often used for young children with learning disabilities. Adults experiencing extreme amounts of stress can also benefit from art therapy. It helps release some of that stress that they're experiencing by just expressing different emotions that they couldn't. Art therapy is catered specifically to the issues of the patient, and it depends on what people prefer or the medium that they're most comfortable with. Overall, creative therapies like art therapy are extremely helpful in the aid of reducing effects from various mental disorders, and it's a healthy coping mechanism for those disorders. And thank you so much for listening.